Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are out here in the city of New West today replacing a battery on this 2016 Nissan Versa Note. So the client called us. She said the vehicle wasn't locking, it wasn't starting, the anti-lock, the central locking was not working. She couldn't see anything light up on a dashboard as well. So we came out, we did a full starting system diagnosis out here in the parking in New Westminster, BC, and it turns out the battery needed to be replaced. So we went ahead, we got a new battery and we'll be replacing it. So here's the battery. So it's a relatively simple swap. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is taking off this hose here. So it is tightened by a clip. You just need a flathead screwdriver to loosen this. Take this off. Then there's a 10mm nut here which I've already taken off, and once you pull it out, it just comes out. As you can see, that chamber gets fixed onto this, so it's just a slide. You don't need to do anything else. And then it's the same, a 10mm socket here, a 10mm socket here. The old one comes out, and then there is one out here as well down below. So since we have already removed this hose, now we'll keep it at the side. We'll work on taking off the nuts for this, and once we do a swap, we will keep you posted. So guys, as we were in New West to do a full starting system diagnosis and replace a battery on a 2016 Nissan Versa Note. It's a hatchback. So we have swapped the battery. The batteries, this is the new one. As mentioned, we had to take off this hose in order to get to the battery. Then it was two 10mm nuts, and the one down below was a 40. So as you guys can hear, the engine running, it's up and running, all the lights are working, the central locking is working. So the client can get work tomorrow. She was extremely happy. So do contact us if you need any battery replacement, starter replacement, alternator, brake pad, rotor replacement, a pre-purchase inspection done right out the seller's location or at a dealership, and we will come to your location. We are offering professional mobile mechanics in Metro Vancouver. Do check us out on our YouTube channel, Instagram handle, and also our website mobileautoservice.ca. You can book online or you can give us a call. Thank you. We'll be posting more mechanic videos to help you take care of your problems. Have a good one.